All right, HQ is in orbit. Beaming down the Horizon team now.
Cam, you're getting better and better at that every time.
Thanks.
Oh, hey. Got a new guy on the ship today. So, today is a very special day. Episode 7 in the Horizon Grand Prix. Now you might be asking yourself, what is episode 7? Well, episode 7 is the Toyota Mirai mentor program, where we have Mike McCluskey here with us today, who's a Mirai owner and who has been in our program for the last 3 years. Today we're going to talk about Toyota Mirai hydrogen fuel cell cars, Mike's involvement in our program as a mentor, and maybe do a couple science experiments.
Sure, sounds like fun.
How about we beam down to Earth and do a test drive in your Mirai? What do you think?
Let's do it.
All right, you ready?
I'm
3,
ready.
2, 1.
Whoa! Oh,
Hey,
my goodness.
is this your car?
That's my 2016 Mirai.
Hey,
Come on, let me show you.
okay, come on, Mike.
Love the style.
Yeah.
Love the style.
Why'd you get white?
Great. Comes with all the stuff, all the bells and whistles.
This is an amazing looking vehicle.
Well, I'm glad you like it. I do too.
What do you say we get in and take it for a ride?
Great idea.
Okay, let's do it. All right, Mike. Let's get the camera situated here, okay? Give me a second. Mike, how long have you had a Toyota Mirai for?
I've had almost 3 years.
Yeah?
It'll be 3 years in just a couple of months.
So let's put this thing in drive and give it a whirl. Don't go too fast on me, right?
I got the Mirai because of my experience with the Toyota Prius. I've had several of them.
Yeah.
In the technology,
Yeah, let's make a left up here.
the fuel cell technology just really captured my attention. Once we test drove it, we were sold. We had to have one.
So you're part of the Mirai Mentor Program, correct?
Yes,
For the
sir.
Horizon Grand Prix.
Yes.
Growing up, did you ever have any learning experiences that I guess inspired you to get involved? You're an engineer by trade, engineer design, correct?
Yeah. I'm a degreed engineer. My dad led me away, and then I had some opportunities for some really good experimental courses in high school.
What were those about?
I had a 2-year program of 2 hours a day in electronics, and I had another program in computer-oriented mathematics, is what they said at the time.
Yeah.
Where we started learning programming from machine language.
Sweet. And do you think those experiences in high school and maybe some when you were younger led you to the career you have today?
Oh, absolutely.
And did that training come with you making a decision to go ahead and get involved with the Mirai?
Yes, it did. Technology has captured my attention starting with Sputnik.
Yeah.
I was 10 years old when Sputnik went up, and I just had to know how they did that.
Would you say this car has more technology than the Sputnik had?
Oh, much more.
Much more.
It's got more technology than any of our spacecraft.
What are some of your favorite parts about driving a hydrogen vehicle?
Well, I find this car to be very quick because of the DC motor.
Yeah.
Very comfortable, and it is very quiet, as you can tell right now.
So I know. So it has a classic Toyota look, right? Do people know right away it's a car they haven't seen before? Do you get a lot of questions about driving a hydrogen vehicle?
I get questions all the time.
What do they ask you?
Usually the first question is about the Hindenburg. And I tell them of a video that I've seen on the internet where a 45 caliber bullet will not penetrate the tanks. And,
Right.
and it's really not a problem.
Why do you think people are so interested or I guess, enthralled with a hydrogen powered car? Is it something they haven't seen before, or what do you think, gets them really excited about it?
I think it's the technology as I was looking for. They like the idea of the electric drive. They like the idea of being able to fill up a tank in just a few minutes and get on your way.
Yeah. And I guess, as being a mirai mentor. What do you think the younger generations? What are their thought processes on hydrogen cars while they're working on them on set and stuff?
Right now, it's kind of a curiosity to them.
Yeah.
I've taken them on demonstration drives so they can see the instrumentation. And the kids I'm working with are a little young.
Yeah. You were one of the first owners of a mirai. These are some of the first kids ever to be working and learning about the technology. Not first kids, but they're learning about it. You're helping them. What does it mean to you to be a mirai mentor and knowing that Toyota supports programs like this?
I haven't often had a chance to give back.
Yeah.
And this is a chance. And I'm doing it with something that I really believe in. I really enjoy this car.
Yeah.
I think it is the future.
Why did you decide to pick a fuel cell over an electric vehicle?
Range anxiety is probably the shortest way to say it. I've had friends that had electric vehicles and the batteries degraded rather quickly. They found they didn't have the range they had when they first bought the car.
Right.
And the other thing is the amount of time that it takes to refill.
Right. Is it hard finding hydrogen pumping stations? Is there a system in the car that helps you find them on the road?
There's no problem at all.
No problem at all.
There's an app on the car that you can find, and there's an app on your cell phone. My wife and I play a little game that we want to, at the end of the day, we want to make sure that we get at least 60 miles per gallon equivalent.
And what is the range on that? Some people probably don't know how far a hydrogen car actually goes in one fill up.
I've been to Sacramento a couple of times without any problem. And the one time I went on a trip where I didn't have hydrogen available, Toyota loaned me a car for free.
Nice one.
Nice one, RAV4.
That sounds good. So being part of a mentor, what has been your favorite part of being a mentor in the HORIZON Grand Prix program?
The kids.
Yeah.
They are a great bunch of kids. They have some tremendous opportunity, and they work hard. They really do work hard, and it's kind of nice to see them smile. And
yeah. Kids having fun doing science.
Amen. Yeah.
Yeah. I think we're getting called back to HQ. I think they're gonna warp us out. You ready to go back?
Do we have to?
I think we should. I don't really want to. I've enjoyed this as much as you. Ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2. Mike, how do you enjoy being in HQ with us?
Oh, it's great.
Yeah, sit right here. Well, we really appreciate you being on, spending some time with us, and thank you. And that concludes episode 7 of the HORIZON Grand Prix series. We thank you for being part of our program, and we look forward to seeing you, all of you, this Saturday for the Southern California Regionals. Take care, everyone.
Bye.